No time to brace for the impact. How'd you make my heart bloody, hands cold? I draped the blindfold and rescued my soul. These voices living in my ear, forever whispering thoughts I regret hearing. Admit that I am brainwashed and mind-fucked, words meant to destruct, erasing me. Remember who I was before. I used to be so pure, so protected. Subconsciously an endless war. I'm self-rejected. Take me back to 84. Self-sabotage is wearing on me, and what I've become is a shadow debris. I'm fractured by you, manufactured into a creature I can't recognize. Remember who I was before. I used to be so pure, so protected. Subconsciously an endless war. I'm self-rejected. Take me back to 84.
Waterfall
got nothing to lose. Strangers in my sheets, wake up, rewind and repeat, but I'm still caught up on you. Nothing really mattered when we had it all. Happy ever after was an afterthought, and I've got to know. Baby, do you ever think of when we were together on the 4th of July, underneath the fireworks sky? And I said, everything is perfect cause you're holding me. You and I together like we're supposed to be, cause you need me and I need you. But that's just my point of view. That's just my point of view. Yeah. Pictures on my phone remind me that I'm on my own, and I don't know what to do. Thoughts are useless, trying to make it through this. I'm still caught up on you. Nothing really mattered when we had it all. Happy ever after was an afterthought, and I've got to know. Baby, do you ever think of when we were together on the 4th of July, underneath the fireworks sky? And I said, everything is perfect cause you're holding me. You and I together like we're supposed to be, cause you need me and I need you. But that's just my point of view.